Well, I'm spending some time in the shop today. And every time I pull out my tool chest, which I built during COVID, I look through here and I think, what's missing? I want a full tool chest with everything I need to do woodworking without power. And I was looking through here and I came to the realization that I'm missing a hammer. I got a little tiny ball peen hammer here, but I thought to myself, I can't use that hatchet as a hammer, but I need a hammer. So I went and picked out the best of my old Vaughan hammers, which was old, rusty, beat up. And I took it to the polishing wheel and did the best I could to cleaning it up. Anytime you buy a handle in the store, it comes okay and it's a good quality wood, but it usually comes with a lacquer finish. And I cannot stand lacquer on my hands. So I took it to the sander and I sanded it up really fine. It's up to 220 right now. I'll take it to the steel wool and make it even finer. And then I'm going to put a coat of oil on here because I do not like lacquer finishes. I like a really smooth feeling hammer in my hand. I also worked a little bit of a flare on the end of the hammer so it stays put. I compared it to my other Vaughan hammer, and this doesn't have the Vaughan name stamped in it, so I'm not sure who made this hammer, but it sure looks and feels a lot like a Vaughan. And the handle now, it's all oiled up. I put a light coat of machine oil on the head. And you know what? It's got a spot in my tool chest. Place for everything and everything in its place. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Need to clean all those up. Those are all good user planes. Everything fits. What's in there? Pencils! I made that little pencil box. And I love these old saws. Most of these are over 100 years old. Look at the handle on that old rip saw. Everything has a place. It fits down in there nice and neat. So the drawers. And clear the handles. Yep. I love this tool chest.